Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Massy became the largest company to cross-list on the Jamaica Stock Exchange and the second largest company on the main market today. The company says the cross-listing will prove beneficial to both itself and the shareholders. Our business reporter Javon Keys has more.
Trinidad and Tobago-based Massy Limited has cross-listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The company, with capitalization of $243.7 billion, now sits as the second largest stock on the JSE. President of Massy's Jervis Warner says the company brings a unique offering to Jamaican investors.
Jamaican shareholders or investors don't usually have the opportunity to invest in entities that are operating in these diverse geographies. So one is one stock, many portfolios, which is one of the slogans.
Mr. Warner says the company has focused on strategic market segments.
Our integrated retail, our gas portfolio, gas products portfolio, and our motors and machines portfolio. And again, because we have now rationalized our group and focused, we have this growth path that we believe is sustainable, given the way that we operate as a conscious company.
Barita Investments and First Citizen Investment Services in Trinidad and Tobago were the lead brokers on the deal. Meanwhile, Managing Director of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Marlene Street Forrest, says the listing is the 52nd on the main market. Mrs. Street Forrest says the listing brings market capitalization back to pre-COVID-19 levels.
This addition will increase the market capitalization of the JSE main market to 1.95 trillion and the overall market capitalization to $2.12 trillion.
Javon Keys, TVJ News.
The Jamaican dollar made ground today after the Bank of Jamaica pumped $30 million into the foreign currency market. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $156.88. $129.53 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar and $212 for the pound. The euro is costing an average $177.87. The JSE index advanced by 1,671 points, while the junior market index gained 27 points. Among today's winners were First Rock Capital Holdings, PBS 9.75% shares, Iron Rock Insurance Company, Cygnus Real Estate Finance Company, and CAC 2000. While on the losing side were SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, Mayberry Investments, Jetcon Corporation, Siboney Group, and the JMB Group 7% shares. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.